Nisa Martinez. Today we are going to be doing the sheep kidney dissection. This will be the flashcard I'm using. Okay, so we're going to begin with the renal cortex, which is the white part right here that we see compared to the gray. So it'd be from here to here. That part right there is the renal cortex. This right here. Okay, the renal medulla consists of renal pyramids. So the renal medulla, I'm going to describe what a renal pyramid is. I'm going to label that. And they are usually triangular shaped. It's this gray one right here. It's not really that triangular, but I'm going to try and draw it out for you. So from here, like that. That is a renal pyramid. And the renal medulla would be that pyramid plus some cortex. So this would be a renal pyramid. It's that whole section, and this is the renal pyramid itself. The renal columns, we can see it separates the pyramid, so it'd just be the space between the pyramids. Read a little bit right here, right there, right here. Those are the renal columns. They separate each renal pyramid. The renal sinus is it's a cavity, kind of like a hole in the kidney. I had some trouble finding it, but if you look right here where I'm pointing, it's this part right here. You can kind of see that it's like a hole, but that is the renal sinus, and there's some throughout the kidney, but that is the one I found. The renal hilum is where blood vessels, go into the kidney, so it'd be kind of this section. It's where the blood vessels and the ureter connect into the kidney exit and enter through it. So it'd be this section right here. Right there. And from this side, it would just be from right here. That right there. Right there. That is the renal hilum. The major and minor calyces. I'm going to go to this one right here so you can clearly see it a little bit more. So this would be the major right here, and the minor would go down a little bit. So the major and the minor. The renal pelvis it's kind of right now covered a little bit by this right here, but it'd be right in the middle. It's by the hilum. It's a little bit more a little bit off to the hilum, but it's in this area right here. Yeah, the renal pelvis. So this is the ureter right here. You can kind of see it sticking out right there with a little hole. So that is the inferior portion of the ureter. So the superior portion would be up here. Up there. So the inferior, superior portion. Superior portion of the ureter. Okay, so we did the cortex, medulla, pyramids, the columns, the sinus, which was in this one, it's right there, the hilum, where everything goes in and enters and exits, the major and minor, the renal pelvis, this area, and the superior portion of the ureter.